How to fix TikTok video under review problem. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can fix the TikTok video under review problem. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your TikTok app and then click this profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now make sure that your video is appropriate and it follows the community guidelines of TikTok, and if it has no issues, that it is appropriate and it is following the TikTok guidelines and it's still under review, what you can do is go to the help center. For that you have to click these three dots on the top right corner and then you have to choose settings and privacy in the pop-up menu. Now it's going to bring you to this menu and you have to scroll through and find this option that says report a problem and click this option. Now you have to scroll through and I'm going to choose this creation option, and then it's going to give you these options over here and you have to click this other option. Now you have to click other and then you have to click need more help. Now it's going to bring you to the TikTok support and here you have to send a message to them. You simply have to type what I'm typing and I'm going to come back once I type. So once you type my video is following the TikTok guidelines and it is appropriate but is still under review, please help me sort this issue out. TikTok support team is going to help you fix this issue out in 24 to 48 hours and you have to just wait for the time being. And that's how you fix the issue. Thanks for watching.